Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Today we are going to solve equations with rational functions. So, without further ado, let me show you the problem. Solve 1 plus 6 over x is equal to 16 divided by x squared. So, we can write 1 plus, this is the original problem, is equal to 16 over x squared. Now, on the left-hand side of the equation, I want to make the denominator the same. Since the denominator of the second term on the left-hand side is x, the first term denominator, nothing there, that means it's 1. I will multiply the numerator and denominator in the first term by x plus 6 over x is equal to 16 over x squared. So, this becomes x in the numerator plus 6 with the common denominator, lowest common denominator of x is equal to 16 over x squared. Now I will multiply the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation by x squared. Why x squared? Because this is the highest power of x, x to the power of 2 on the denominator. In the denominator on the left-hand side as well as on the right-hand side. So I will multiply by x squared on the left-hand side as well as on the right-hand side of the equation. 16 over x squared multiplied by x squared. When I do that, the x squared in the denominator and x squared in the numerator on the right-hand side, they cancel out. And on the left side, this x is going to cancel with one of the x's in the numerator. So the left-hand side becomes x multiplied by x plus 6 is equal to 16. Now I will distribute, I will distribute the x on the left-hand side of the equation to the terms inside the parentheses. So x times x is x to the power of 2 because x has a power 1 over here, power 1. When the bases are the same, you add the exponents. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 6x is equal to 16. Now I want to move the constant term to the left-hand side so that I have all the terms on the left-hand side of the equation, which is x squared. I subtracted 16 on the both sides. Why do I subtract? Because it's plus 16 on the right-hand side of the equal to sign. The opposite of that is negative 16. What you do on the left-hand side or the right-hand side, which is subtract 16, you do on the left-hand side of the equal to sign too. So x squared plus 6x minus 16 is equal to 16 minus 16 is 0. Now, two factors of 16 are minus 16 actually, because the constant term is minus 16, are 8 and minus 2. Notice 8 times minus 2 is equal to minus 16, and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So, therefore, we can write the 6x as, on the left-hand side, as x squared plus 8x minus 2x minus 16 equal to 0. Notice 8x minus 2x is plus 6x. Also 8 times minus 2 is 16, as I showed. Now from the first two terms, we can take two terms at a time. First two terms, the common factor is x. Take it outside the parenthesis, you are left with x plus 8. And in the second one, if I take a minus 2 as the common factor out, you are left with x as the first term, and minus 2, minus 16 divided by minus 2 is a plus 8, equal to 0. So between these two terms, x plus 8 is a common factor. Take that out, and you are left with x plus 8 times x minus 2 equal to 0. So either x plus 8 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. In this case, subtract 8 on both sides. So x is minus 8, one possibility, because plus 8 and minus 8. And here you add 2 on both sides. So x is equal to positive 2. So what are the solutions? The solutions are 2, comma minus 8. I'm sorry, this should be written the other way around because minus 8 is smaller than 2. So it's 2. Solutions are 2 and minus 8. Oh, again mistake. Or minus 8 and 2. Does it make sense? Let's check it. So if I use this, my original was 1 plus 6 by x is equal to 16x squared. So let's plug in each value of, oops. So 1 plus 6 over x is 16x squared. So let's see if that makes sense. Substitute x equal to minus 8. So what do you get? 1 plus 6 divided by minus 8 is equal to 16 divided by minus 8 square. So, and if I move this a little bit up, so this becomes 1 plus and minus is a minus, 6 over 8 is 3 over 4th, and 16 divided by minus 8 times minus 8 is 64. So 1 minus 3/4 is 4 over 4 minus 3 over 4. And this is 16 goes into 16 one times and 16 goes into 64 four times. So 4/4 minus 3/4, 1/4 is equal to 1/4. So indeed, x is equal to minus 2 is a minus 8 is the solution. Okay, so this checks out. Similarly, you can check for x is equal to 2. So if I substitute x is equal to 2, you get 1 plus 6 over 2 is equal to 16 divided by 2 square. 1 plus 6 over 2 is 1 plus 3 is equal to 16 divided by 4. 1 plus 3 on the left-hand side is 4. 16 divided by 4 is also 4. So this also checks out. Okay. So bottom line, both are solutions, 8 and minus 2. So I'll stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. I am back tomorrow with another problem, another solution. Please check out my channel, Math Science Topia, where I have solved all kinds of algebra problems just for you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.